Well, guys, State of Origin is here. Game 1 is being played out tonight, and it is bringing everything we thought it would from a Cash Kings perspective in terms of promotions and taking advantage of these promotions. So we're really excited, and we've put out Calvin's promos of the day. 2 for this one game, which is really good, and I'm actually going to share with you one of them because it is just too good not to share with you guys, and I'm hoping all of you can get a bit of value from this, and we could possibly see a massive payout because what I'm going to share with you today is a promotional middle bet. But as we can see, this isn't even all of them. It's just page 1 that you can get from a Promos Paradise showing all the sports promotions. So make sure you sign up to this. It also comes with Calvin's promos of the day. And this is what it looks like. There's another bet, a much bigger bet up there, but that's going to be for our members only, the people who have paid for our subscription. But I'm sharing you this one for free. This is a promotional middle bet, and it's between Unibet and Top Better. So if you have both of these accounts, get ready and make sure you jump on this bet, and hopefully we can see a massive payout. So Unibet, they're offering a promotion of if either team win by 10 plus points, they're offering that at $2.50 odds. And this is a boosted odd. This is not the normal odds they would have. They've actually boosted the odds, so you're getting a really good price for this. And Top Better have basically done the opposite. For whatever reason, they've done the opposite, and they've said either team to win by 10 or less points, $2. Once again, they're boosted odds. Now, if you have a look, this is on our Calvin's Promos of the Day page. It's the second suggested bet, and this is exactly what we're taking advantage of here. So we've got Unibet, either team to win by 10 plus points, $50 stake at $2.50 odds. And then Top Better is exactly the opposite, 10 points or less, at $65 stake at $2 or less. So if you guys want to jump on this, you can. I'll explain to you exactly how this works out, but basically we're getting any outcome, no matter what outcome it is. So if they win by more than 10 points, or if they win by less than 10 points, and remember, this is either team can do this. So if either team wins by more than 10 points, or either team wins by less than 10 points, you're getting $12.50 profit. So no matter what, we're not losing money on this. We are making a $12.50 profit. So you know what? You can go out today, go have a lunch or something after you place this bet, and knowing that you're definitely not losing any money today. Then, if either team wins by exactly 10 points, what happens is both of these bets pay off, and we're getting $137.50 profit. That is massive. And let me show you quickly how this works out. So we've got 3 different outcomes, and I'll add this in just to make it a little bit clearer for you. So either team win by less than 10 points. What happens? Well, let's go back to Unibet. Either team to win by 10 plus points, $2.50. So if they win by less than 10 points, Unibet doesn't pay off. So we're getting minus $50, I believe it was. Let's go back, have a look here. So $50 stake, yep. So we're losing the stake because it doesn't pay off. Then we go to Top Better. And this will pay off, right? Because Top Better is either team to win by 10 points or less. So that's going to pay off. Either team to win by 10 points or less. And we're putting 65, I'll get my calculator up. We're 65 times by $2 odds. So we're making 130 here. So our total return is, and so I'll make this in profit. So we're getting a $130 return minus 65, which is the stake that we placed. So we're making $65 profit here. And then we add it up, 65 minus 50 is equal to $15. So that's our profit if either team win by less than 10. So I actually got it wrong, a little error, put $12.50 there. So I need to change that, and I will change that as soon as I finish with this video. So we're making $15 no matter what happens if either team wins by less than 10. Now let's do the other side. If either team win by more than 10. Now remember, Unibet, this is basically reverse. So Top Better, either team to win by 10 or less points. So if they win by more than 10 points, it's not paying off. The bet is losing. So we got negative the stake, which is $65 stake. But Unibet pays off. And Unibet pays off, and it is 50 times $2.50 odds, 125. So we're making $125 return minus the stake, $50, is equal to $75 profit. So over here, we take 75 minus 65 is equal to $10. So what I actually did here was when I put the stakes in before, I just rounded out to $65. So that basically made it. So this was a little bit under $65. But remember, it's stupid to put, random values in, because that's what makes agencies look at your account. So we just rounded it up to 65. So it's actually if they win by less than 10 points, we make $15 profit no matter what. And if they win by over 10 points, they make $10 profit no matter what. So I need to change that quickly. But here's where the real money comes in for a promotional middle bet. If either team win by 10 points, Unibet pays off. Because their whole bet is if either team wins by more than 10 points, 10 plus points. So that's including 10 points. So we're getting 10 and 50 times $2.50. We're basically getting, right, $75 profit, because that pays off. So that's the return we get. And the same thing here. This one pays off. We're getting $65 profit. And add them together, and we get $140. All right, so these are the three outcomes that can occur. Either team win by less than 10 points, we're getting $15 return. Either team wins by 10 points, we're getting $140, because it's a middle bet. A middle bet is when both sides pay off, and Unibet and TopBet both pay off, so we're getting huge profits here. And remember, you're only staking 50 plus 6, you're only staking $115, and yet you can get a return of $140 risk-free. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely nuts. That's what is that? It's over 100% of your return on investment. Absolutely crazy. And either team win by more than 10, we're getting $10 return. So that's it, guys. That's all the possible outcomes. This here is the bet. These values are wrong, so ignore them. I'm going to quickly change them up, but it doesn't really matter too much. Either way, we're still making $15. If they win by less than 10 points, either team wins by less than 10 points, and we're making $10 profit if they win by more than 10 points. And that only reason that occurred is because I rounded up this value to 65 from, I think it was around 63 or something like that. So let's not cry over spilt milk. And either team wins by exactly 10 points. This is $140 and 137.5. So I'll be fixing that up right after I put this video online for you guys, that you guys can follow and, enjoy watching the game and be excited for, whichever team you're going for. At the end of the day, all you want is that team to win by 10 points. You want that team to win by 10 points, and you're making $140 just like that. Nice and easy money. Make sure that if you enjoy looking at these videos and they bring you a lot of value, make sure you subscribe. We're putting up these videos all the time, different things you can put on. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you find this valuable to yourself. And good luck tonight. That is all I can say. Good luck.